In this video, we are going to learn 3 of the most useful computer skills: copy, cut, and paste. These functions help you move and duplicate text, pictures, and files without having to type or recreate them again. Let's get started. The first function we are going to look at is copy. Copy means creating a duplicate of something while keeping the original. To copy something, select the text, picture, or file. Right-click and choose Copy. Click where you want the copy to appear. Choose Paste. Cut. Cut is used when you want to move something from one place to another. Unlike copy, cut removes the item from its original location. For example, if you typed a paragraph in the wrong place, you can cut it and move it to the correct location. To cut something, select the item, right-click and choose Cut. Click where you want to move it. Choose Paste. After you've copied something, paste creates a duplicate. After you've cut something, paste moves the original. You can also use keyboard shortcuts when working with copy, cut, and paste. These shortcuts can save you time when working on your computer. For copy, press Ctrl +C. For cut, press Ctrl +X. And for paste, press Ctrl +V. Did you know you can copy files and folders? Yes, copy and paste also works with files and folders. For example, if you want a backup of a document, right-click the file, select Copy, open the destination folder, right-click and select Paste.